Hello friends, this is Vinu Anand, the image enhancer. Today I want to talk to you all about, or let's discuss something about image transformation or self improvement, how we can improve our look by the day. First of all, we should never be ashamed of learning. Learning is a never ending process. How much ever we learn, it is always less. So we can never say that this is I am at this age, or now I've grown up so much, how can I learn, or never feel awkward, never feel bad about that. Okay, I am learning now, like that's perfectly okay. It is a learning process. Everybody learns something or the other every now and then, so never feel bad that I am a learner. It is always good to be a learner. Let's talk something about self improvement. How we can, with what we are and with what we have, how can we enhance our look or our image? So, the first is, be a doer rather than being a dreamer. I think we need to be a doer. It is, and we need to take action. Like the most important thing is that we need to take action. We can't just sit and think, okay, I have to do this, or I have to become like that, or you have somebody as your mentor. So to to become like that, you have to take action. So that is the most important thing. So what I feel is, like, it is nice to dream, it is nice to think. You should have a vision, what you want to be, how you want to be. But along with that, you need action as well. You need to put in some efforts also for that. So I think most of you know about it, but I think it's just a little tips that we need to rebrush each other, to transform each other. So what best we can do is get into action. Whatever you want to do, get into action. Come out of your comfort zone. The major hindrance, the threat is, that we do not come out of our comfort zone. अरे मैं कैसे करूँगी, मैं वो कैसे कर पाऊँगी, how am I going to do? But just give it a try. The moment you come out of your comfort zone, I guess your success has already started. We must have heard about law of attraction and the power of subconscious mind. So just imagine, like, okay, you dream, you have a vision what you want to achieve, but just imagine, along with that, if you put in action. The second most important aspect is grooming. You need to groom yourself physically. You have to have an appearance to look the part, like what you want to be. To look the part, you need to be a well groomed person. A well groomed person can reach the levels. Suppose, just imagine you are the manager of one multinational company, but you don't look the part. So people do not get connected to you. So to get that connect and to reach higher levels, or the ladder, to climb the ladder, I guess you need to be well groomed. You need to work a lot on yourself, on your physical appearance. May it be a homemaker, that doesn't matter. Like, the more presentable you are, so that much respect you gain, you attain. So people look towards you. That is what I feel, is that to enhance yourself, or to for self improvement, the most important thing is to image, to bring out the best of you. Indulge yourself in some kind of physical activity. May it be yoga, gym, whatever suits you, whatever is your body allows you to do. Whichever way you are more comfortable. Maybe you're good with your stretching, or you want to do a hardcore gym. So that's totally your call. But you need to do something. So that will keep you young and lively for a longer period of time. I guess initially we do not realize. ठीक है, in your 20s and all, it's everything is fine, everything is nice, and rosy, that's perfectly fine. But as we age, I guess we need to maintain, the elasticity comes down. So we have to work out more, post 30. Maybe even if you're doing it earlier, it's fine, but you need to enhance yourself, your physical appearance. You have to have a well toned body. That will take you a long way. you yourself will feel nice. It's not for to show anybody or to showcase that, okay, I have a 26 waist or 36 26 36. Not that, but it is for your own self. It is for your own that self image, like what we call it. You feel nice and you feel confident about yourself, so you do much better. Take good care of your skin. Indulge yourself in some kind of a regular regime, a skincare regime. You must use WTM, wash, tone, moisturize. That has to be on a regular basis. Use very good quality serums. That will help you in the longer run as well. If you need more tips on skincare, I'm always there to help you. And along with your skincare, I guess a hair care is a must. That your hair is your image breaker or an image maker. Well groomed hair talks a lot about your personality. You need to make sure that your hair is well conditioned and well groomed. You can go in for spas more often to get that perfect texture, or even if you have curly hair or whatever style suits you. That's like whatever is your personal style, but see to it that your hair is well maintained. They're not coming over your face, or they're just flyaways, or what you call it. So just make sure that you have a, it is I don't know how to explain, but it is a image. If you have bad hair, it is an image breaker for sure. Make sure that you condition your hair more often, as much as you require it. Like if you're a office going person, see to it that you're washing and conditioning your hair at least, I guess, twice a week. And go in for, indulge yourself in more of spas, hair spas. If you don't want to get in, it's not good to get into a lot of heat treatments. So might as well you can just go in for some kind of a treatment which keep your hair nice and maintained. Domesticated hair, not the wild hair. Next very important thing is your nails. It does not matter if you have short nails. That's perfectly fine. But just see to it, even if they're small, your nails and your hands are well manicured. Your nails are nicely cut, and you can just go in for a French, or if you are whatever field you are in, or if maybe you're a homemaker or whoever. I mean that's totally your call, but we must see to it that our nails are well groomed. That is one part which talks a lot about your personality, how about your hygiene, how you maintain. Just by the first look of you or your hands, anybody can make out how good are you at your hygiene levels. Keep your makeup as minimal as possible. Try to give that natural look. That is much better. Like instead of just getting it all over, and a lot of brushing up, and with the eye makeup. Do one thing. Either you do a good eye makeup and then you go nude on your lips, or if you're having be minimalistic with your makeup. Try to go as natural as possible. Use a lot of serums, moisturizers, and like a compact or a translucent powder. But try avoiding a lot of foundations. Like foundations make you a little cakey after a while. How much ever good brands you use, first of all, it is not good for your skin. It stops the pores get clogged with it. So I guess that it is always better, what your occasion, whatever occasion is there, or whatever allows you to do. So go very minimalistic with your foundations. Try to, for your skin as it is to breathe, it is always better to use a lot of serums and moisturizers which actually enhance the beauty from inside, rather than just caking up yourself with the foundations, maybe which suits you or which it doesn't suit you. Like after a while, after a very long day, you see your face, it starts getting those cracks over here. So with time, over and over again, if you're using foundations, that definitely is going to spoil your skin. So to maintain a healthy skin, a natural skin, I guess you need to go more on moisturizers and serums, and go in for some, like those scrubs and all, to maintain, rather than to go, load yourself up with makeup. So I guess first impression is the last impression. So I guess you must dress well, whatever is the occasion. Like you have to dress as per your occasion. Like if you're going for office, try to be very try using more of natural colors, or what is your basic, your own color, what suits you the best. I can help you out with your color analysis as well. For your office wear, you need to be formal, so see to it that your colors are nice and pastels. Invest in clothes which you're going to use more often, rather than spending on heavier things which are of no use actually. But always make sure that you're well dressed. It does not matter like how expensive the outfit is or which brand you're wearing. No, that does not matter. Brand is just, it is just in our minds that, okay, if I wear this brand, or that person is wearing that brand, so it is looking so nice. No, you can go very well even with, like a very normal range clothes. That has to suit you. Non brands also make you look good. It is easy to your pocket, so you can change your looks more often, rather than just going in for some brands and getting stuck with it. The basic motive is to be presentable, to look good, look the part. So just make sure that you're always well dressed. I hope you like the video, and I'm making some more videos on this, on many other topics, which I shall share very soon with you guys. But make sure that you are always looking the part, and always well groomed and well maintained. Great going, ladies.